Good afternoon. I wanted to make a quick video, and I'm going to make videos and you don't have to watch them all because they're probably some are going to overlap or be redundant, but there's always going to be new people coming along, so just bear with me. Also, the videos, I think, give you a feel of someone's personality. You can look in their eyes when they talk. You can see if you like them. You can see if they annoy you, which I tell people sometimes I'm just going to annoy you because I'm very open and very bold, and I'm black and white, and I don't flatter, and I don't try to tell you what you want to hear, so you just might get frustrated with me. But today's video is just simply about, like, I was thinking about the analogy of if you were to go on a plane, there is a process that needs to occur before you fly a plane. There are pre-flight checks, okay? Mechanical, mostly mechanical, right? But like on other flights, maybe they got to check the food and check the water and check the toilets. There's pre-flight check, you know? You don't go in a plane and not have everything ready to go flying, right? So likewise, when it comes to home financing property, or financing a home, or financing an investment property, or financing, getting a mortgage on anything, you want to make sure that you have someone who knows how to do the pre-flight. Okay, knows how to get you to the place where you need to be so that you can take off and get to your destination, right? What I'm excited about is that I have a team that is just awesome. So we work together to make sure you're taken care of, you are taken care of, okay? And that's important, right? I like to think of little jingles and slogans, and one of my slogans was, our loans get you home, right? Because we know how to get you closed. We know how to get you the most competitive rate, or at least close. And sometimes someone might say, oh, we have like this rate. But in the end, you end up paying like a couple $1,000s of closing costs. And they're like, what's this extra $2,000? And like, oh, that's part of the loan fee. Basically, you had to buy down that interest rate, but they didn't really explain it to you the way it would really make sense. So I had that happen to me, and I explained to my client, like, look, if you go with another lender, chances are they're making you buy down the fee, and they're going to charge you more at closing and your closing costs. She didn't listen. And then she calls me, goes, what's all this money? And I said, like I told you, they were going to get you one way or the other. So at least with us, we're straightforward. We're going to tell you the truth. Yes, I'm outside around new construction right now, so you hear the noise. But you can trust us to tell you the truth and do the best we can. And sometimes some of these lenders that promise the moon, they're just a nightmare to work with. It's like, flying right into turbulence because they don't know how to fly and go around it or whatever. So fly with us. Get your home loan with us, okay?